Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing something really cool. I have a guest. Tom, who was our sponsor for the last video, is here with us today. And just like the last video, I'm going to be replicating another one of my sister's pieces of artwork, but on Tom's face. Half of this video is going to be me working with his hair, and the fact that Tom is in low-key need of a haircut, his words, not mine, will work out in our favor for today. So I'm really excited. We're going to be mainly using body paint and eyeliner, and also a little bit of hair wax. So let's get started. So like I mentioned, the first thing that we're going to be doing is messing with his hair. So I'm going to be taking Control Maniac hair wax, and I'm going to be sticking his hair up first, emulating that kind of wind-blown, tired bedhead look that we have in the picture. And then I'm going to be going in with the red aqua paint, and I'm going to be putting that in his hair. Possibly some white highlights, probably going to be keeping it to just red.
This is gonna be fun.
Oh yeah, you're gonna hate this.
Oh, fun.
His hair's red!
Ah!
Yay! We have a live studio audience today. Thank you, live studio audience. So now that we have him sufficiently looking like his scalp was murdered, we are going to go in with a beauty blender and or a slightly smaller fluffy brush, and I'm going to cover his entire face and neck in white water-based paint. I'm going to be going in with Mehron Paradise Paint in white. The beauty blender is a new method that I've noticed gaining a lot of popularity on the internet, so I would like to try that out in this video, and if it doesn't work, we're just going to go to the madeyewlook fluffy brush. So, let's make you pale, my dude.
You are rolling now.
Damn it.
Go on.
Now he's pale.
This I am.
This video should be renamed Ah with Tom. So now we are going to be adding in all of the black lines that are integral for the detailing. So outlining the lips, putting in all those aging lines that our lovely, young, beautiful Tom doesn't have yet.
I'm flattered.
Just making him look overall more tired. We're gonna also darken up his eyebrows because he naturally has lighter eyebrows from swim. And yeah, we're gonna make him look more drawn, and then we're gonna go in with red detailing.
Yeah, this is gonna be something.
I mean, it can't be any worse than me
That's fair.
repeatedly punching your face with a small fluffy object.
This is true. This is true.
So for this next step, in order to add all the black detailing, I'm going to be going in with the Artist of Makeup Extreme Eyeliner pen. It's beautiful and kind of like a fountain pen. I just bought it. I'm very, very excited to try it out on our poor victim over here.
Test subject number 1.
I mean, like, I put a little smiley face on my hand and it stayed there for 3 days. So I'm, oh God, he does not look happy about this. I have makeup remover, you'll be fine.
Hopefully.
Hopefully, all right.
I'll be fine.
Artist of Makeup Extreme Eyeliner pen, black detailing. Ready?
No, but sure.
Okay. So he's drawn now, very drawn.
Yeah.
How are you feeling so far?
Tired.
Yeah.
Just a little bit thirsty, but I mean, things have been going smoothly. But
Good. Okay, that's good to know. So our last step for this intensive look is going to be adding in all of the red shading on top of our black outlining. So a little bit to the lips, the nose, the forehead, and all that fun stuff. I'm probably going to be going in for a lot of it with a detail brush and of course red water-based paints. Are you ready for this last step?
yeah, why not?
And then pictures. So here is our final look based off of my sister's pen and ink drawing as done on Tom. Thank you, Tom, for letting me paint you.
It's not a problem. I mean, I volunteered for this.
You did, and I love you. He has taken on the character of the tired, mildly disinterested drawing. But you're not disinterested, I know that.
This is true.
I hope.
This is true.
I can only hope.
It's just been a long day.
It has, that's true. Big, huge thank you to my producer, editor, cameraman, and painter, my Tukas Schutz. Thank you so much to my on and off studio audience.
Yeah!
Can't decide what they want to do, but that's a show. Thank you to my wonderful muse over here, the lovely Tom, or as we like to say in the business, Tom! And thank you so much to my sister for sending me all of her artwork and being so gung-ho about me going and recreating it once again. Also, like and subscribe if you love Gertrude and Sheldon, because obviously they are the best part of the video.
It's clearly not me.
Clearly, like we didn't do anything here. The turtles are where it's at. Alright, that's it. Bye! much. Bye. Thank you for stopping by. What? Shut! ¿Qué te pollo pesa? ¡Muévetelo!
I did not account for
Move it! Do you feel pretty yet?
Am I pretty?